Yeah, so the police is like right in front of me. You ever get that weird feeling when the police be behind you? But ain't no weird feeling because I'm behind the police. You heard? What's good? It's your boy Coach T, and welcome back to the Mud Talk Radio channel, man. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, because if you're into fashion, sports, life, and culture, then you're into this channel. Let's go. Hey, man, it is pouring down, raining, man. I'm gonna give y'all a quick look. Can y'all see out the side of the window? I don't know. That might be bad, man. I'm trying to play it safe while I'm driving. But yeah, man, I'm on a mission today. Today is January 9th, 2024. And for those of you who follow the sneaker community, there was a specific sneaker that was released today. I could have got it on the sneakers app, man, but I'm trying to go get them in the store. I have called about 5 locations, 2 of which that are in my county. Struck out on both of the ones in my county. So I got to head to Charlotte, got to head to Mecklenburg County, my home, you know, so ain't nothing to it but to do it. We're about to get out here and go find this pair. Let's go. All right, man, so I'm in Charlotte now, and I'm gonna be honest, bro. I'm trying to figure out if this whole trip was even worth it for real. I don't even know if it was worth it. Like, the conditions have gotten significantly worse, and I'm talking about a rainy day. Like, I had to make sure that before I got on here and cut the camera on, that number one, I was stopped and I was in a safe spot, but I also wanted to make a statement that people could feel me on. And man, maybe if you're around my age, you feel me. Bro, when I was in school, they did not cancel school for rain. They did not cancel school for snow. I'll take that back. In Charlotte, they did cancel school for snow, but 9 times out of 10, it started snowing while we were in school already. And meanwhile, there's a dude walking in the middle of the street. Yeah, Charlotte. Hold on, man. The wind is blowing kind of crazy, bro. Look, y'all see that? Yeah, anytime you see the traffic signal lights moving like that, the wind is blowing pretty strong. So I did underestimate this whole thing. I did downplay it. I was like, yeah, forget it. It's just a little rain. Ain't nothing crazy going on. Ain't no hurricane. I'm gonna be good. It ain't even cold. I ain't gonna be uncomfortable, you know? So yeah, it's definitely looking like this was a questionable decision today. Questionable decision. Y'all better like this video and subscribe to the channel, because this is what I'm doing for y'all, man, to bring this stuff to y'all, man. I love y'all, man. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Let's go. All right, bet. So I finally made it, bro. And it's, yeah, let me put my hood on. I'm hopping out. Crazy. We here now. We here now. Let me take this hood off and get under here real quick. Listen, hopefully they got this shoe, man. And I drove like 45 minutes and I'm still getting wet standing where I'm at right now. But I'm about to go in here. They better have this shoe. All right, bet. So got the shoe, man. We about to head to the crib. I'm probably gonna record a little bit, but my phone is about to die, man. So y'all bear with me. But we did get the shoe, man. People ain't pick them up. Whoever had the size 12 over here on South Boulevard, they ain't yours no more. They mine, man. Let's go. All right, so I'm back at the crib, man. I'm gonna be honest with you, bro. Y'all seen that weather. It got crazier as I got closer to the crib. I will say this, man. The flash flood warning has been in effect in the area for probably like the last hour or so. I rode past a ton of standing water on the roads, like on the side of, on the side of the road, all the houses. I was telling my wife, man, as I was getting closer to the crib, there was a lot of standing water, in people's yards and stuff like that, man. So it's just been a really wet day in the Charlotte, North Carolina area, man. So hopefully everybody's being safe. Hopefully the wind haven't blown out your power or nothing onto your house or nothing like that. But We safe. I'm back at the crib, man. I did go and grab the sneakers, of course, man. I showed y'all, man. So y'all know I was at Hibbett Sports, man. Y'all probably know what I went to go get. If you seen the thumbnail, you know what I went to go get, man. You got a standard Nike box right here. Nothing too crazy. And the box reads Air Max 2 CB94. The colors are white, black, and old royal, man. You see that right there, size 12. Can you see it? Can you see it? A little bit closer. We in the game. Let's get into what's inside the box. All right, man, so we go ahead and open this box, man. And if you've been paying attention to the channel, I recently bought the black pair, the triple black CB94s to the channel a couple weeks ago, I believe. My wife picked them up, so I had to go and get this pair myself. I had to get this in a size 12, man. Y'all see that right there? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Check that out. All right, man, so we got the white pair right here, man. And they say it royal. You know, there are some hints of, I don't even know, I would say that was purple in my opinion. I would say that's purple. What y'all think? They look like purple. When I think about the Charles Barkley sneaker, I immediately think about when he played for the Phoenix Suns. So this is giving that purple that's in the Phoenix Suns jersey to me. Right here, you got that black midsole right there, and you got that beautiful air bubble, man. It always stands out on the CBs, man. Like, he did a great job when he was playing, man, with Nike, and whoever was designing this shoe, I don't have all the answers, but I promise you, they did a really, really good job with this shoe. You got some quality leather. I mean, you could see it. If you're looking at the camera, you can see this is quality leather on this shoe. This ain't that cheap stuff that they be putting on the Dunks. This ain't that crap that sometimes they put on the Jordans. This is some quality leather right here. And of course, you got those rope laces, the standard rope laces, and you got a sock liner, which is also in that, okay, there's your royal right there on the inside on the sock liner. There you go. You got the royal right there. And this is a men's size 12. It's probably gonna be a snug fit on me because of the sock liner, but I had to pick it up, man. I know last time, man, I did not show y'all the sole of the shoe. Check out the sole on that joint. It's real nice, man. I like this shoe. I like this shoe. The more I look at it in hand, the more it reminds me of like 10th, 11th grade, you know what I'm saying? Where you pulled up at school with a pair of these, and you might just be the only one in school with them because of the price. These joints cost more than Jordans back in the day, which is crazy, man. But today, we only paid, what did we pay? Oh man, the light's in my eyes, y'all, I'm sorry. $160 plus tax, $171.60 out the door for the CB94s. So I gotta give you my rating before we get out of here, man. I'm not gonna play with this, man. I personally believe that the black pair looks better. Unpopular opinion, maybe. I think the black pair looks better. My wife says she agrees that the black pair looks better. But, all right, coach. We gonna go 6 out of 10, man, for the white CB94s, man. I'm thinking that the balance of white and black was just, it wasn't there. It's just too much white, I think, in my opinion. I think that if they could have mixed more black in here somewhere to kind of like cut out some of that white, it's just too much white. It's just too much white for me. It's not about keeping it clean. It's just too much white, man. It's too much white in my opinion. Is it a dope sneaker? Yes. Is it a sneaker I would keep in the collection? Yes. I love Charles Barkley. I love the way he played, man. He's a great personality on TV, but we're gonna go 6 out of 10 for this white pair. 6 out of 10. Do y'all think that's too low? You think it's too high? Drop it in the comment section what you think. But as always, man, you know the saying, love is free, hate costs. You've been watching Mud Talk with your boy, Coach T. I'm out.
Subscribe, like, comment, hit that post notification.
Oh yeah, you heard it first and foremost.
Go hit the like, go subscribe, go all that.
All that, man.